Hello friends, this is Jivesh. I welcome to my channel Bioprofessional. Before subscribing to my channel, you might be thinking why I should subscribe your channel, what content I will get in your channel. So in this video, I am going to discuss about common questions that might be striking in your mind. The very first question that you might be thinking that what type of video you will get in this channel, the level of information, okay. And number third point is that why you should study life sciences, and how to find interest in studying biology. And the fifth point is that why how I am going to teach, the way I'll be teaching. And the last point is that why I have created this YouTube channel. So stay tuned and watch this video to know these answers. So let me come to each and every question one by one. The very first question is that what type of video you will get in my channel. So I'll be dealing with life sciences. That means you will get the lectures on botany, zoology, physiology, plant or animal, like biochemistry, molecular biology, etc. That means you will get all the information, all the topics related to life sciences, okay. And the second question is that the level of information. So I'll be discussing from very basic to the most advanced level. I will divide video into two different parts. One is basic and the other is advanced. And if it require more subsequent video lecture, I will make this. You might be thinking that from where I will be collecting information, as I am saying the advanced level. So I will deal, of course, the journal, the good journal, the article published on that. You need not have to worry for that whether the information will be authentic or not. Yes, of course, the information what I'll be sharing with you will be 100% authentic. And the third question that is striking in your mind, that why you should study biology or why you should study life sciences. If you are a student of biology, then it's fine, no issue with that. But if you are thinking of coming into this field, I'm going to tell you something. Just imagine your body is made up of cells and you don't know the information related to your cells. You just now you can see me with your eyes, you can listen me with your ear, and every process is going on in your body, but you don't know any information regarding this. Yes, how can you see me? What's the mechanism behind this? How you can recognize me? How you can process what I am saying into your brain, and you can just grab a concept from this lecture, right? Means you are getting information, all your body doing its particular function, but you don't know anything of it. This is just an aspect of human physiology. So there are many aspects. Like I can tell you the nervous system. This is so amazing. Just see the amazing nature of nervous system. If a mosquito bites on your arm, you can just realize that something is present on my hand or arm, wherever in your body. It's so highly sensitive. So if you can study all these things very deeply, you will find so amazing studying life sciences. You'll feel so relatable. You can relate. Actually, your all these things are happening in your body. The fourth question is that how to find interest in biology. You see, any subject, it doesn't matter whether it's biology, chemistry or physics. If you just want to grab interest, you need to understand each and every terms. We are lucky in one aspect. The terms used in life sciences are self-explanatory. You can find some information regarding its nature and what it is doing and all. Means something information you will get. That's why the most terms used in life sciences are self-explanatory. The fifth point is that how I'll be teaching you, or the way I'll be teaching. I will try to put various examples of routine practices so that you can relate with the information you already have in your mind. If you can relate with the information you have already in your mind, you can store it for longer period of time, so that you don't have to mug up things. You will start understanding things, you will start realizing things. Yes, of course, it's happening, it's very interesting, you will find interest, means you will start understanding, and after that you will go to higher studies, right? And the last point I want to discuss in this video is that why I have created this YouTube channel. You might be thinking that last day I have uploaded one video on cell biology. So you might be thinking that why Jivesh is going to uploaded this video, because you will find so many videos are present on YouTube platform, more in-depth studies and very others. You know, there are a lot many biology channels are there. So why I am repeating the same thing? I just want to give you one example. Like, many of you are, whoever is watching this video, you may be in a college, school, university, or any kind of offices, whatever, you might be doing a job, right? So if two teachers explains the same thing with same content, you find interest listening in one of them. Why this happens? This happens because you find interest listening in one of them, because you can connect more with that particular teacher. So this is my motto, or you can say my ambition, reach to a single student. If I can connect a single student with my voice or whatever I am explaining, or I am understandable with any topic, and if I can just increase knowledge of a single topic also, I'll feel honored for that. And that is the reason I have created this YouTube channel. Finally, this is my request to you. If you find this video helpful, or you can just find interest in listening to that, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share with your friend, so that I find a positive energy of creating more and more video, so that I can help you and your friends. Thank you for watching this video.